Can Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers cause wheel vibration? People read that the Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers may cause wheel vibration. In fact, Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers will not cause any vibration. If there is no sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers and the tightness of leg nut are the two first factors users focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issues. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on bloxsport Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers. A bloxsport spacer means there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spacers are centered on the vehicle hubs only by the wheel studs. If you are using these cheap spacers, there is a high risk of wheel vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers will be the easy solution. As long as you use quality Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable for off-road. Since the wheel studs and lug nuts use a clamping force to secure the Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers and wheels, if the studs or lug nuts are not strong enough to support this process, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provided wheel studs of BONOSS Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are made of high-strength forged SCM410 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. With higher strength, your Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers can bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers can keep the wheel centered and balance on the vehicle hubs while driving. After the spacers and wheels are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolts of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secured on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any type of vibration issue. BONOSS Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric metal rings is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit the corresponding hub branch, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since Toyota 4Runner wheel spacers are components that contain other parts, you absolutely need tight tolerance.